Sparkle and Shine Miri sheets and foiled acetate from Hunkydory. You can buy them separately, but they work beautifully together too. So I'm going to start with the Miri sheets, and I'll set the acetate aside for the moment. There are 18 of these beautiful Miri sheets. These are A4 size, so I'm going to show you that's the little piece that comes with it. 18 sheets in there all together. A4 size is 8 1/4 inches by 11 5/8 inches. They have this beautiful ombre, so I am glad that we're showing you from top to bottom here. An ombre multicolored mirrored finish. So we're starting at the top, you can see a teal. And I know there's a lot of shine on there because it is that mirror, it's a mirror-like finish. It starts with teal and then it moves through a gradation and goes down to a kind of a orange or gold color at the bottom. That's just one sheet. Every one of them has that ombre finish in lots of different colors. And they also have beautiful gold foiled patterns on top. So this is just gorgeous. You've got a mix of gold and colors. It's so beautiful. And you're going to get 2 of each one of the designs that I show you here. So here we go. You get 2 of those. Now here's a beautiful teal, darker teal at the bottom going up to a yellow at the top with beautiful gold foiling. These are so gorgeous, and you're going to be able to use just a little bit of this is going to make such an impact. Every one of them has that ombre finish. It's a little bit hard to show you here, but I think you can see the light down to the dark there. And I love the designs. You've got flourishes, you've got feathers, you've got this nice overall pattern moving from pink up to a purple. I think you saw that change. So 2 of those. Beautiful teals with some foliage in there. A lot of overall gold design here, so that's gorgeous. Love the dots, starting with a purple at the top and moves down to a teal or light blue at the bottom. Beautiful butterflies with that gold just fluttering across there. So pretty. So you can use these in little strips, or you can cover your card entirely and then just add a greeting or whatever you want to showcase that. And let me show you how those have been used, actually in combination with the acetate, which I'll show you in just a moment. But 3 different colors of that Miri were placed on this card, and then they were covered with acetate. So maybe I'll go ahead and go into the acetate now to show you how that works. So here we go, scooting this off and right into the acetate. The acetate is also A4 size. So again, 8 1/4 inches by 11 5/8 inches. Nice big substantial size. And I want to let you know that I took each piece and I place it on top of white cardstock so you can see it. But there it is. You can see that the acetate is completely transparent and it's got gold foiling. Absolutely beautiful. So you're getting gold, you're also going to get silver foiling. So with all of these patterns that you see, you're going to get 1 set in gold and 1 in silver. So let me go ahead and show you the gold first. Here it is with a beautiful floral look, spirograph kind of designs. That's what it reminds me of, just beautiful. And then the next piece, look, it just looks like plain in the center, but at the top and the bottom we have borders. Up at the top, scroll work, and at the bottom, scroll work. So you've got these different designs. So if you wanted to, you could cut that in half. And remember, you don't get the white cardstock, you do just get the acetate. So you can cut this acetate and do part on a card and use the other part on a card. You can actually put them on top of photos and let the photos shine through for scrapbooking. We have corner to corner designs. We have an all over design that's kind of a nice tile pattern. Again, you can see right through that. And then we have the silver designs. So all together, 8 foiled acetate pieces in gold and in silver. You're getting the same designs. It's going to be a little bit hard to show you sometimes because it is pretty shiny here. But with all of those, now we go back to the card that I showed you. So the entire piece, it was covered in strips of the Miri sheets, and then 1 piece of the acetate was laid over, and that's this corner design you're seeing. It's here, and then it's all clear here. So it's just a beautiful look, and that's really simple to accomplish. Got another idea here. You can start by covering your white card with that beautiful acetate and then make strips of the different Mary pieces and add a few dazzles. So some beautiful looks can be done with both of these, and those are from Hunkydory, the Sparkle and Shine Mary patterns and the Sparkle and Shine Luxury Foiled Acetate.